Let me show you what I made for an appetizer for a birthday party. Let's skip the takeout and make garlic cheese focaccia bread. Alright, let's get to it. First we need garlic butter, so 2 sticks of butter into a blender, garlic confit, Parmesan cheese, I'm using Parmesan Reggiano, some salt, and herbs de Provence or Italian seasoning. Give it a blend, place into a storage container, and place in the fridge. Next, 7 grams of dry yeast, and then 700 grams of room temperature water. Give it a mix. 12 grams of salt, and 700 grams of bread flour. If we're under or over by a little bit, I don't think it matters. Now stir it all together and place a damp towel over it. Let it rest for about 30 minutes. Uncover, and now we do some stretch and folds. It's going to be sticky and we just gotta work through it. Just keep on doing as much as you can. Eventually it'll start to. It's never fully going to turn into a dough ball because this is a high hydration. It's focaccia. It'll be fine. Cover it up again, wait another 30 minutes, uncover, and go around the bowl, kind of like this. As you can tell, I am not a baker. I do not have professional experience with this. I just like to eat. And regardless if I can get a neat ball or not, it'll be fine. Now in a clean bowl, we're going to drizzle a bunch of olive oil in and around that new clean bowl and place our focaccia ball into that new bowl. Drizzle some more oil on top. Now cover it up and put it in the fridge for 2 to 3 days. Minimum 20 hours. Now look how big our baby's grown. Just beautiful. Now we need a big pan. This is the biggest, deepest pan I could find. And we're going to grease up this pan with olive oil, or I'm using garlic oil that I made when I made the garlic confit. So if you have garlic oil, which you should if you made the garlic confit, put it all over and brush it everywhere, bottom and sides. I've refrigerated my garlic oil because I have anxiety about botulism, so I put it in the fridge and hopefully it'll last longer than just being at room temperature, which I don't believe you're supposed to do. Anyway, dump in our dough baby, and using your fingertips, you want to stretch that dough out. Does not need to go to the sides of the pan. You mostly want to dimple it, because this is going to grow even more. Cover it up with some plastic wrap and just leave it on the counter for 2 to 3 hours. When the time is up, you're going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and we want to uncover it, and then we're going to dimple the bread again with your fingertips. Then apply another layer of drizzle of oil on top, whether that's your garlic oil or olive oil. Sprinkle on a layer of cheddar cheese, then a layer of mozzarella cheese. Now it goes into the oven, 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 30 minutes. And here we go. But we're not done yet. While it's still piping hot, you're going to pour over your melted garlic butter that you made earlier. And then we're going to sprinkle on herbs de Provence all over. Now it's going to go back into the oven again for another 5 minutes or 10. And this is our finished product. We're going to let it cool off and then we can cut into it. And that's how you make a garlic cheese focaccia bread. Thank you so much for watching. If you have an idea of what you want me to cook next, just let me know. Anyway, bye girl, bye!